Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something for you. The 3D printed cooling fan for SkyRC 1500 and 1600 model. So let's jump right in and see what's inside. And by the way guys, this is made by E-Likha Printing Hub. They make 3D printed items for your mini fold drive, such as cooling fan for chargers, portable upgrades, motor case, battery holder, and much more. So let's get started. So just open it here. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we have their calling card. Okay, then next, the item itself. Let's remove the sticker. Alright, so my first impression about this product is it's not that light, alright, but it's not that super heavy. Just right. It's because of the motor inside, and then the design. It's very sleek. It's very nice. I like the color combination of red and black. And by the way, guys, they have different colors to choose from. You can order through their Facebook page. You can message them, or you can go to their Shopee or Lazada account. So they have different combinations to choose from. But for me, since my favorite color is blue and red and black, I picked this one. Now let me show you how to install this to your charger. So as you can see, there's a double adhesive tape here. So let's get their charger. Here's our charger, and then this one goes here. Okay, so just position it here near the edge so that it won't block the USB port. Okay, so it goes here. Now if you already remove the cover, it will look like this. Okay, your side, so it doesn't touch the battery. It stays like this. It's like it's hanging like this. Okay, then if we're going to get your battery, just pull this up, get your battery, and then once you're done, put it back again like this. You would be wondering how to turn this on. Now this device is not USB powered or battery operated. You need to buy a 12 volts power adapter or power adapter. I'll give you an example. Okay, this is a 12 volts adapter. I bought it from Shopee. I'll put the link in the description box so you know where to find it. Okay, this is very cheap. This is less than 100 pesos. Okay, so you have to plug it here. Okay, and then to your power outlet. One thing that I noticed is that there is no on or off switch for this model. Okay, unlike with the bigger ones for the NC2500 Pro, they have on and off switch, and then there's also like a dial to control the speed of the fan. Now let's plug it in and let's see how it works. Alright, so I'm very impressed on how powerful this thing is. I'm not sure if you heard the wind, but yes, it's pretty much strong. Your battery can cool down quickly using this fan. Is it worth it? Yes. If you're looking for a very nice looking cooling fan for your SkyRC 1500 or 1600 model, this is for you. I would rather buy this product instead of buying a USB powered portable fan, because I don't want to bring a lot of stuff. So as much as possible, I want everything that I need in one bag, like my portable. Now for the price, it costs 798 pesos. You can message them if you want to order online, or visit their Shopee or Lazada page if you want to use credit card or other modes of payment. Alright, so there you have it. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you also get one of these very useful device for your charger. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.